During the holiday seasons, I'm sure a lot of people will either buy or get airbrushes and kits for Christmas, so let's try to help each other out. I got mine on Amazon, and it's called the Master Airbrush System. It came with the G22 dual action airbrush. It came with the Cool Runner 2 compressor, and it came with the G25 single action airbrush and like a E91 siphon, which I really don't care that much about. So let's just try to help each other out, since most of us are new to this if you're watching this video. Like I said before, this is the model G22 Master Airbrush dual action airbrush. I like it a lot. I like it a whole lot. Anyway, I usually put some water into it for practicing. Just, put like 6 or 12 little droplets from the little eyedropper. I don't remember where I got the eyedropper from, if it came with this kit or not. I don't remember. But to use it, you push down the button, and that's just air coming out. And to release the paint, or the water in this case, you pull back, start to pull back, and you'll feel the cool water on your hand. And as you pull back, your hand will get more water on it, because you're releasing more paint, or in this case, water. But it's great for practicing. And this is also how I clean my airbrush. I don't point it at my hand. And then you put the trigger all the way to the front again before you release for that little bit of paint that was left in there, and then you release the button. Of course, you can hear the compressor going because it's right next to me. But that's just the way I like to use it, because it's got the holder for the airbrushes and stuff attached to the compressor. And it doesn't bother me. To me, it's quiet. But to clean it, I'll just add some drops of water first after it's got paint in it. When you're done with the paint and there's a little bit of paint left over, and then I'll test it. Always check it on the hand when it's water. Pull back, make sure it's coming out, and it is. And then I spray on a paper towel to clean out the airbrush. This way I can see the leftover color paint coming out, and I know when it gets to where it's just water, that it's pretty much flushed it out. And then I use airbrush cleaner after that to clean it. I wish you could see the stream coming out, but it's cool. If you can get it up against the dark background, usually you can see it. Anyway, the water's pretty much out. You go all the way back, and then because now all you feel is air, and then you release it, the trigger on it. So in the next video, I'll add paint to it, but I just wanted to help people out for the basics, and maybe all the beginner, and also maybe some people that have used them before can come in and comment and help us out with it. Enjoy your new airbrush.